One morning.
Gretel, we've got to get out of this plane and go home. I left a trail of carbon dioxide, sunlight, and water as we were on our journey here.
I heard stepmother's plan. She wanted to leave us here forever.
Don't worry, Gretel. Our trail will help us get home. What's wrong, Gretel?
The trail, it's gone. The plant absorbed it through photosynthesis. We'll never get home.
Okay, Gretel, tonight we will sleep here, and tomorrow we shall look again.
Okay, Hansel. The next morning.
Ready to keep looking, Gretel?
Yep, but I'm getting awfully hungry.
Don't worry, in time we'll find food, I promise.
Look at that! It's a deliciously looking candy cell plant house protected by a graham cracker cell wall fence.
Come quickly, let's go take a bite out of that. These cells are made of specialized sugars. The specialized sugars are made of carbohydrates called cellulose, which are made on the surface of plasma membrane.
Wow, sounds yummy. The chocolate cellulose is implanted with proteins and carbohydrates that form a stiff box around each cell. This helps the plant keep its shape and allows it to grow great heights. No wonder this house is so big.
As I munch on this chocolate cellulose, you punch a hole through the cell wall. Pores like these in the cell wall allow water, ions, and some molecules to enter and exit the cell. Yum!
Nibble, nibble, little mouse is living in my house.
It is just us, Hansel and Gretel. We've gotten lost in the plant and would like to fill our stomachs.
Children? Wahahaha! My house is a cell membrane that makes cellulose, which you guys really enjoy. The celluloses are created by enzymes, which are guided with microtubules. I shall make some pot of chicken for you. What happens when the cell stops growing? Oh, the secondary cell forms between the cell wall and the cell membrane. Oh,
I get it.
You're truly a kind old lady to let us in. Well, if you guys are extra hungry or thirsty, I could show you my central vacuole. The central vacuole stores food, water, and metabolic waste. It's also my cauldron where I cook all of my good foods. When the cauldron is filled with 90% of ingredients, then the cauldron expands and it will fill up all of the plant cell. And then it will push off all the organelles into thin layers between the cell membrane, which is the structure below the cell wall. Oh, I think I learned about this in school. When there's more water, the cell expands and the plant stands upright.
And if it lacks water, the plant cell will shrink and cause the plant to wilt.
Good job, children. But it's time to go to bed. Expect some surprise for you tomorrow. That night. Hansel, you must be sleeping. I'm awfully thirsty. I'll go to the central vacuole. Central vacuole. I'm awfully hungry and I'm planning to eat those critters that sit in my seat. What shall be my recipe today? Oh, child scone sounds so good to me. Oh no. Hansel,
what is it, Gretel?
She plans to eat us.
Is it true?
Yeah.
We must run away.
Not so fast, you. You didn't think I heard little Gretel run away?
You won't get us, you old hag!
Stop running away, you both. My central vacuole is formed with small vacuoles, and those vacuoles contain all the toxic materials that are for the plant-eating animals. So I'll throw both of you in there.
Not on our watch! Let's throw her into the central vacuole!
The witch was then thrown into the central vacuole, and everyone lived happily ever after.
Yay, Gretel, we did it! We saved ourselves from the Omni Witch!
And we also learned a lot about the cell wall and cell vacuole. Let's celebrate with a song! Twinkle, twinkle, little cell, how I wonder how you dwell. Your cells are made of sugars, some might call it cellulose. Twinkle, twinkle, little cell, how I wonder how you dwell. When the primary cell wall's gone, a secondary cell wall forms.
smoke comes in